Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain you SD master data. So this is the agenda which I will cover in my presentation. First I will see customer master data, then material master data, customer material info record, and last one is the condition master. So first we'll see what is master data. So it is the data which is stored centrally and used in day-to-day transactions. So in SAP SD we have four types of master data. First one is the customer master. Second one is the material master. Third one is the customer material info record. And last one is the condition master. We'll see one by one. So first customer master. So it is nothing but it is the details of the customer which is stored centrally and used in day-to-day transaction. Like while creating the customer, we are maintaining customer's name, address, their communication details, payment info, sales info, etc. So master data is the data which is not changed frequently. So there are several advantages of master data. First one is the no need to enter the details of the customer every time, which will save the time of end user. Second one is the master data will avoid manual mistake. Then next one is the material master. So it is the details of the product which we store centrally and used in day-to-day transaction. For example, while creating material, we are maintaining the specification of products, weight, their standard price, their item group, item category, material group, etc. Next one is the customer material info record. We can call it as the CMIR also. So we use CMIR if customer is placing order with their own material code. So by using CMIR, we assign customer material number with our material number. Then while creating the sales order, if user enter customer material number, then system automatically determines our material number, which is standard material number. Last one is the condition master. So condition master is nothing but the pricing master. In this master data, we maintain the pricing data for all the products. So these are the overview of each master data. Now I will explain in detail. First one is the customer master data. As I earlier told you, the customer master data is the basis for all sales transactions as well as delivery and payments. It maintains the details of the customer in the form of master data. So every customer master is made up of three sections. First one is the general data. Next one is the company code data. And third screen will be sales area data. If you want to see the general data of particular customer, you can use KN-A1 table. Okay. In SE16N transaction code, if you maintain this KN-A1 table, you will see the general data of that particular customer. Next one is the company code data. So for company code data, KNB1 is the table. You can use this table to view the company code data of that particular customer. For sales area data, table is KNVV. By using this table, you can see the sales area data of that particular customer. There are different tables also. So for partner function, you can use the KNPA table where you can see the partner function of customer. Then next one is the if you want to see the shipping details, you can use KNPS table. So to create the customer master data, you can use the T code as a XD01. So by using XD01, you can create the customer. By using T code VD01, you can create the customer record for sales view creation. So customer master data will be divided into three screens, which is general data, company code data, sales area data. We'll see one by one their tabs. Okay, so under general data screen, there are different tabs. First one is the address where you are maintaining the customer related information. Then control data. Generally here we are maintaining the account number, etc. Then payment transaction, marketing, unloading point, export data, contact person. So these are the views in general data. Next one is the company code data. So under company code data, there are 4 tabs, which is account, payment transaction, correspondent, insurance. So all payment related transaction, account related information we are stored in company code data. Next one is the sales area data. So under sales area data, there are 4 tabs, which is sales, shipping, billing, partner functions. So here you are maintaining the all sales area related information. Okay. So these are the 3 screens: general data, company code data, sales area data. Now, general data section. So in general data section, data about the customer personal details like name, address, telephone number is maintained. The customer number, not by the company code or sales area, only identifies this data. So under general data, we are maintaining the name and address related all information. Next one is the company code data section. So it is the only of interest to the accounting department. So it includes the information of insurance or account management. So this data applies to only one company code. In company code data section, data about the reconciliation account number, term of payment, interest calculation indicator, etc. that is related to financial accounting maintained. Next one is the area data section. So in sales area data section is about the customer sales area like sales, shipping, billing, etc. data is maintained. So it is only of interest to the SD area. So it includes the pricing, shipping. So these data only applies to one sales area and therefore it is dependent on the sales structure. Now, to create the customer master data, first we need to create the account group. Account group nothing but the, suppose I have created 2 account group, that is 001 for domestic customer and 002 for export customer. So for domestic customer, I can create only domestic customer by using this account group. I can use 002 only for export customers. So what are all the export customers I can create with the help of account group 002. Okay. So this is nothing but the concept of account group. So as a customer master is made up of with the number of fields depending upon the partner function and transaction, we assign or change the field status. Okay. While creating the account group. So the account group defines what fields are available in customer master record. So to define the account group, this configuration part I will explain in next video also, but here I will explain you overview of configuration part. So to define the account group, we can use the T code as a OBD2. In OBD2, when you click on new entries, this screen will open. Here you need to maintain the account group. If it is one-time customer, here you need to select. Then output determination procedure. We can specify the output determination procedure in the customer master from where system automatically proposes output type in the sales group. Then here you can see the field status. Here you can see the 3 screen: general data, company code data, sales area data. When you double click on each field status, this screen will open. Okay. So field status is nothing but the, here we can assign field status to each and every field. This will control whether the field is mandatory or optional or display or suppress mode. Okay. So this name one, last name is optional entry. Then here you need to select. If you want this entry will be required, then you can select here. Okay. So here we can maintain the field status. Next, after maintaining the account group, then you need to create the number range for that particular customer account group. Okay, so for that we are using T code XD01. When you go to this transaction code, this screen will be opened. Here you can maintain the number range. Then whatever number range you have created by using transaction code O bar, that is OBAR, you can maintain this number range for that particular account group which you have created. Okay, so for that, see here, for that account group 0001 sold to party account group, if I have maintained here Z1, means whatever I have created number range for Z1. So for when you create the customer will create within this number range only. Okay. So for particular different account group, you can create the number range. You can assign the number range by using account group O bar, and within this number range only customer will create. Then partner function. So after assigning the number range, you have to create the partner function. Okay. So for that you need to use decode as a VOPAN. Okay. So generally there are 4 standard partner function, which is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. First one is the sold to party. Sold to party means who placed the order. Ship to party means who receives the order. Bill to party means who receives the invoice. And payer means who settles the bill. So this is the partner determination part, which I will show you in the configurational video. Okay. So this is the overview. So while determining the partner function, first you need to define the partner function, then you need to define partner determination procedure. This partner determination procedure, then you need to assign to partner function. Then next step is a partner determination procedure assignment, and next one is the account group functional assignment. Okay, which I will show you in the next video. Next we'll move to the material master. Okay, this one is our second master data. So material master data usually defined and maintained by the PP and SD consultant. So while creating material, there are different views. Okay, from SD side there are different views, from side there are different views, or PP side there are different views. Okay, so as a SD consultant, authorization will be given to create the material master, that is material type of trading good HAWA, which is HAWA. Every material is going to be created with specific to division. So you are provided with the number of views from which to select. Okay, like the customer master record, you have a sales view as well as accounting view. A few relevant material master views are as follows. Okay, so while creating material master, there are different views. Okay, we'll see one by one. First one is the accounting view. Okay, so this screen contains the valuation and costing information. So where you can maintain the standard price of material, past and future price of material, moving average cost, price, etc. Next one is the material requirement planning, which is MRP. There are 4 views, MRP views, like MRP 1, 2, MRP 3, MRP 4. So this screen provides the information for material requirement planning and consumption. So based on planning, inventory control, availability check, here you can maintain the safety stock level, plan delivery time, reorder levels of the material. Next view is the purchasing view. So purchasing for the material provides the data here. So it includes the purchasing group responsible for material, over delivery, under delivery tolerances, and order relief. Next view is the storage location view. Okay, so this screen contains information relating to the storage or warehouse of the material. So here you can maintain the unit of the issue, batch management, storage condition, etc. Next view is the forecasting view. Here you will find the information for predicting material requirement. So for example, how the material is procured, the forecasting period, and past consumption, etc. you can maintain in the forecasting view. Next one is the sales and distribution view. So these views are most relevant for SD team. So it covers the information to sales order and pricing, etc. For example, delivering plant, taxes, pricing, reference material, item category, etc. So when you creating the material, T-code we are using MM01. By using MM01, you can create the material. So if you want to copy the material to different sales org or different plant, if you want to extend, then here you need to maintain copy from material and copy to material. Here you can maintain the industrial sector, material type. Once you maintain the industrial sector and material type, just you need to click on enter. One screen will open. So this one is the select view screen. Here you need to select view for which you want to create the material. So sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, general plant data. These views are generally maintained by the SD person. Okay. When you click on organization levels, then here you will see the plant, storage location, sales organization, distribution. So for which plant, for which sales organization you want to create material, here you need to maintain and then just click on continue. So these are the different views. So in each view there are different information like basic data work. You can maintain here unit of measurement, material group, division, their item category group. Under sales organization data 1, here you can maintain the basic unit of measurement, delivering plant, tax related information. So these are the different views. This one is also most important view, that is foreign trade export. Here you need to maintain the control code. Okay, this one is also important field. Under accounting view, you can maintain your currency, valuation category, valuation class, price control, their moving price, standard price, etc. So this is about the material master. So to create the material master, you can use T code as a MM01. If you want to change, if you want to do some changes in material master, you can use T code MM02. If you want to display the material master, you can use T code MM03. If you want to block particular material or unblock the particular material, you can use T code as a MM06. So this is about material master data. Then next one is the customer material info record. We can call as CMIR also. So most of the purchase scenarios, customer serves the material with the name that customer knows rather than technical name. If those name is not mapped to technical name in material database, the material won't found and the sales drastically have decreased. So there is need to map the customer material name with the usual name or code, and the process of the mapping is called the customer material info record. So by using T code VD51, you can maintain the customer material info record. So when you go to transaction code VD51, this screen will open. Here you need to maintain the customer and customer sales organization and distribution channel. So for that particular sales area and that for particular customer, what is the standard material number and what is the customer material number, here you need to maintain, and then just click on enter. Your customer material info record will save. So this is the customer material info record master data. Last one is the condition master data. So it is the data of the price of the product or services which is stored centrally and is used in day-to-day transaction whenever it is required. So condition master data determines the revenue and discount. So in SAP SD condition master data, you need to define best price, discount, surcharges, freight information, taxation information, whether the customer or product is liable for tax or not, any other factor which overall impacts the price if the product and customer account receivable. So to create the condition master record, T code is VK11. When you go to the transaction code VK11, this screen will open. Here you need to maintain the condition type. Once you click on enter, this screen will open. Here you need to select the key combination for which you want to create the condition record. If I have selected customer material with release data, then click on continue. Here you need to maintain the key combination what you have selected. Maintain your sales area, material, their amount, unit and price and valid from valid to. Here you need to maintain all the information and then you need to click on save. Your condition record will be saved. So this is about SD master data. So first I have explained customer master data. So to create customer master data, T code is X301. Then I have explained material master data. So to create the material master data, T code is MM01. Then I have explained customer material info record. So for that T code is VD51. And last one is the condition record. So for that T code is VK11. So this is about the SD master data.